So we're going to River City. It's a shopping complex. And take a cruise tonight on the Chao Phraya River. And it's raining, probably the worst I've seen it so far in the several days since I've been here. So I hope the rain stops. It usually does. We're here during the rainy season, so. But yeah, it's raining pretty heavily. I think it quits raining around November 1st. November is definitely the tourist season. So this is getting off of the street that the Omni's on, onto, what is the name of the street, do you know?
Succumbent 4.
Okay, Succumbent 4. Yeah. Got some good rain going on. And it seems like maybe it's stopping. So that would be good.
It's not stopping. We're under a little bit of cover.
Oh. Well, we can always hope, you know.
On your right is that center, Ponchet Center.
Okay.
That Beirut restaurant is.
Okay. It's a Lebanese restaurant we're gonna eat at probably when we come back, because there's no way it's gonna happen today, and we leave tomorrow for Nakhon Ratchasima by train. So, and it had to quit raining, I think, just slightly. Maybe not. It's hard to tell where there's coverage and when there isn't. Traffic's the typical very, very bad traffic right now, like always. Alright, I'm gonna stop it. But yeah, hope the rain is not going on when we have the cruise. We wanted to be on the top deck, so